Hey, middle schoolers. The play that we're going to work on today is out of the Daredevil Formation. So we're going to talk about that. But before we talk about Daredevil Formation, we had one of the kids email me and say, I do not know where to get paperwork. So we're going to show you where to get paperwork. All right, so if you go to Google and just look up Birchwood School District, Birchwood School District pops up down here. Click on it and then click extracurriculars and go to athletic code and forms. Find everything you need. Boom, click on it. Here is the athletic code meeting video with Mr. Sen.
Hello, my name is Mr. Sen. I'm the athletic director.
And that's 10 minutes, and that's a video that you have to watch and sign off on. Here's the activity code, another thing that needs to be signed off on. Here is the parent-student agreement form and the transportation release. And here is the Booster Club letter and sign up if you're interested in helping with Booster Club. This is the concussion awareness form. And this is the WIAA physical form. Or if you had your physical last year, which most of you did, this is the alternate year permit card. If you are not able to print those off, stop in the office and tell Mrs. Hank that you would like the athletic codes and forms, and she'll give you a packet. Okay, so you can print these off at home, or if that's not an option, you can ask Mrs. Hank. All right, so that's that. Now the play today is out of the Daredevil Formation. So we call it Daredevil because if you look in here, the one player and the two player are both in the D. A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, Daredevil. If we said Admiral Akbar, AA, the one and the two are both in A. If we said Beast Boy, they're both in the B. A, B, A, B. If we said Cyclops, they're both in the C. A, B, C, A, B, C. But right now we're both in the D. So this is called Daredevil. So if we go to Daredevil, we're going to run what's called unbalanced. So unbalanced takes the X and Y and puts them on the other side. Why do you run unbalanced? A couple reasons. If you go unbalanced and you put an extra guy on one side of the line of scrimmage, if the defense doesn't adjust, you have a one-player advantage. Conversely, if you put an extra player on one side of the line of scrimmage and they over-adjust, then you have an advantage back on the weak side. So that's something that we can look at and count. So let's go to Daredevil Fox. All Daredevil Fox means is that the X goes over. OX over X. Fox over X. Okay? So the X was here. The X goes over to this side. Now what's cool about this in 8-person football is now this person is eligible to catch the ball because the two people on the line of scrimmage that are on the end of the line of scrimmage can catch the ball. So this is a fun way to get offensive linemen who are just blocking all day to give them a chance to touch the ball. So we're going to say Daredevil, we line up in the D's, Fox, the X goes over. So next, that means the strong guard is eligible and the Y is not eligible because the Y is not the end on the line of scrimmage anymore. So what we're going to do, our first play is called Daredevil Fox, DD, X goes over, Jet 326, strong sucker. So we go to Jet 326, the 3 means the 3 back gets the ball. The 2 back goes in motion to the 6. So we'll talk about motion and we'll say how they leave on the Y of ready. So it'll be set, ready, go, go. Okay, fake them out, block, 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 block. And this player hits, releases, that's the sucker pass. Because some teams won't even realize that this person is eligible to catch the ball. Okay, so this is called Daredevil Fox, D&D. X goes over, jet 326, the ball goes to the 3, the 2 motions to the 6, and we run the strong sucker. This is the strong guard, that's the fast guard. All right, now you can mix this up, which is kind of fun. We can do something different. We can say, find another way to get the ball to the strong guard. We could say Daredevil Fox, DD, Fox, the X goes over. We could say Jet 317. So this means the ball gets snapped to the 3. The 1 motions to the 7. Okay, so this is the 1. Ready, set, ready, go, go. Here. All the motion is looking here, and they're looking over here. This person will set up to block and then release. So that's the Jet 317 strong sucker. Now, what if we want to get the ball to the fast guard? Then we do something a little bit different. So we go Daredevil, but instead of Fox, we say Yo-Yo. Yo-Yo means Y over. So now the Y comes over here. Okay. If the Y goes over, the fast guard is eligible, and the X is ineligible, because now they're both on the end of the line of scrimmage. So to get the ball to the fast guard, we can say Jet 326 fast sucker. So now Jet 3, the ball goes to the 3. The 2 back is running to the 6 on the Jet. And this is the fast guard, and they're getting hit on the sucker pass. Now we can change it around, and we can say Daredevil, Yo-Yo. So we're both in the D's. Yo-Yo, the Y goes over. Jet 317, the 1 is motioning to the 7. And we've got fast guard sucker. So that's it. 7 days until practice starts. And we're going to have some fun. Okay? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we'll be practicing. We might get those first 3 plays in that we were talking about, you know, with the sweep reads and the sucker passes and stuff like that. And then Friday, we're going to write some letters. So hopefully you're around, and hopefully you get your paperwork in. And I will smell you later.